Hello everyone, Yaje here, super pumped to share another gardening video with you. I'm excited because today I will be sharing a little secret with you, a gardening secret, a gardening hack, a secret that will help you save money if you have large containers and you need to fill those large containers to plant things like maybe your garden eggs, things like peppers, things like that. These containers are 20-gallon containers. So if you have to buy potting mix soil from the store to fill up these containers, you will end up spending a lot of money. So I have a little hack to share with you so that you can save money. These are some extra large grow bags. I think these are 20 gallons, 20-gallon grow bags. And I'm going to be filling them up with soil today, and I'll show you how to do that in a way that would not cost you a lot of money, because 20 gallons is a lot of, it's a big volume, it's a large volume to fill with potting soil. If we're buying from the store, you spend a lot of money. So I'm going to show you how you can do that without spending too much money. So we are going to start by using leaves or maybe grass clippings, whatever you can find. Just make sure it doesn't have pesticides so you know the source of these leaves. We are going to fill up the bottom third layer, that is 1/3 from the bottom, with the leaves. Eventually, those leaves or grass clippings are going to decompose, and it's also going to help with drainage. So that takes up the volume from the bottom, the first third. That way you don't have to fill that up with regular potting mix soil and spend a lot of money. Third layer, I'm going to get soil from my compost bin and also topsoil from over here. So I'm just going to dig up the soil here and fill up the second third, and then the topsoil, the last third will now be potting mix soil. That way I don't spend too much money. Yeah, so for the second third, we are using just regular soil from the garden. This soil also already has some biology, some microbiology going on. It has worms, it has other beneficial organisms that are going to be good for your plants. So by filling up the first third with grass clippings or leaves, and then the second third with just soil that you can dig up from the garden, you have significantly cut down the cost, and we now only have to spend money filling up the last top layer, the last top third. So you've cut down the budget by almost 2/3. This method saves you a lot of money, and is actually quite good for your plants because you have that drainage layer at the bottom. You have all kinds of microorganisms to support your plant growth, and then you can now buy the top third layer from the store. So guys, that is the gardening tip. That is the hack that I use to fill up my large containers, super large size containers with soil without spending a lot of money. So it's now time to add the final layer. Now you can buy potting mix from the store if you wish, or you can make one yourself by using peat moss, some perlite, and more compost. In this case, I just bought it from the store because I didn't want to be mixing stuff. Plus, I already saved myself a lot of money. So I'm going to now just use maybe 1 or 2 bags to fill up the top third of my giant containers, and I have saved myself a lot of money. And we're all done. So I ended up adding 2 bags of the potting mix soil, and this is what we have. My extra large containers are now ready to take in some of my plants. I intend to grow the garden eggs in these containers, in this little space, my small space right at the side of my building. The garden eggs grow to be about 5 feet tall, so they need bigger containers to grow in. These are 20 gallons. They're a little bit big, I know, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. I will share with you all the progress as always. If this video added some value to you, it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to join the family so we can learn to grow our health together by growing a garden. Thank you so much for your support, and until next time, grow something. Bye bye.